Hi everyone, Brad here. Welcome back to Airstream of Utah. I come to you today with a very special announcement. We are having an end of season closeout special and early Black Friday sale on all of our touring coaches. Let's go check them out. We got this 2022 Interstate 19 MSRP is $179,308. Our sale price today is $158,670. Got this 2022 Interstate 24 GT two-wheel drive. MSRP is $222,513. Our sale price today is $192,224. I've got this 2022 Atlas Tommy Bahama edition. MSRP is $279. Our sale price today is $235,208. Last but not least, I have this 2023 Interstate 19 4x4. MSRP is $205,695. We have very special pricing on this model. Give us a call to find out. Our sister dealership up in Wyoming also has a few driving models with special pricing. If you're interested or live near them, give them a call, check out their website, or stop by. This special end-of-year closeout early Black Friday pricing is not going to last long. Give us a call, send us an email, check out our website, or better yet, stop by. We'd love to show you around in person. Have a great day, everyone, and happy adventures.